Solving question number 2, right? Hmm. So this question is q square minus 10q plus 21, right?
Yes, sir.
So see what we can do here. We have to factorize this expression. See q square, see 10q and 21. Is there some changes in it? Are there some changes we can do in the given terms here? क्या कुछ changes हम कर सकते हैं? First look at that. Yeah. Is there any other way to write q square minus 10q or 21?
So,
First, to
minus
answer
10q,
this to
we
me.
can write minus 5 into 2 into q.
Minus
Minus 5 into 2 q.
minus 5 into 2 into q. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or this can be written as q square.
Yes, sir.
But then what about 21? How do you write
7 into
21?
3.
7 into 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What do you say, Arhan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is that the right way? You guys think we can solve the question in this given manner? I don't think so. No.
Yes.
In this manner, we won't be able to solve this question. Okay, no. Here's the reason. Look here. Q square minus 10q plus 21, that is the question. So let's take out individual terms. Or we can note out here one thing, that Arhan and Aram was not joined yet.
No, sir.
Okay, see, can I write minus 10q as minus 3q minus 7q?
Yes, sir.
Also, looking at 21, 21 can be written as 7 times 3,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, now. And 7 plus 3 is giving you 10 here, right? Or minus
Yes, sir.
7 minus 3 gives you minus 10
Minus
here, right? Or minus 7q minus 3q gives you minus 10q, right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
so here is the format here. Here's the pattern we have observed here, right? And this is q square here. Okay. Now see if there's anything we can take common here. In q square, 3q, 7q, or plus 7 times 3.
Sir,
Yes.
3? Yes, sir.
Taking this now. 3.
No, sir, but no, because it's minus 10 3.
Mm-hmm. See, हम क्या करेंगे ना? Look here. We can also write like q square and इसे हम क्या करते हैं ना? Bracket outside the bracket, let's take the minus sign. Okay. Inside the bracket, let's write as 3 plus 7 times q. Can I write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay. In a moment, we will understand why we have written it like this. 3 plus 7 into q plus simply a 21 is हम लिखते हैं अभी. Okay. This
Yes, sir.
we are writing it only as 21. Now further, if I see that in this here, see, q square minus 3 plus 7 into q. Okay. Let's further open this bracket. If you were to open it now, again we are doing basically the same thing. So for the ease of convenience, let's do a little bit of arrangement here. Minus 3q plus 7q, or whether I write it as q square minus 7q plus 3q plus 21. Okay. Now in these q square and 7q, let's take q as common. So thereby q minus 7 is there. Okay. And
Sir,
here
but
in
minus 7q plus 3q is not 10.
minus.
Minus 7q and 3q plus
Mhm.
3q are not equal to 10, right? So how can we take it?
Look here, look here. Look at this whole thing. Minus times 3 plus 7 times q. Okay. This will be what? Q. Can I also not write it like this? Minus q into 3 plus 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
basically
sir.
brought it here. So now minus q times 3, that is minus 3q. Minus q
Yes, sir.
times 7, that is minus 7q.
Yes,
So
sir.
thereby, then it will be minus 10q now.
Yes, sir.
Getting it now. Okay, so from these two terms we have taken q as common. Okay, further in these two terms 3 will be common, so let's take 3 common. So q plus, no, again this shall be minus 3q na, ये तो minus 3q होगा, right?
Yes, sir,
हाँ.
that's what I was
So
saying.
okay,
Minus
this is what you were
7
saying.
plus, yeah, minus
Okay,
7
okay.
plus 3 equals to 4, 4.
Okay, I didn't notice that. So that is minus 3q. Then
Yes, sir.
again you take minus 3 common here, so q will come, and then minus 7 will come over here, right now. So now we
Yes,
have
sir.
got q minus 7 times q minus 3. Getting it?
I got
So
my answer.
that is a factorization. Yeah, what value you are getting?
So p plus 8 into p minus 2.
Into p minus 2. Okay, let's check that out also. Okay, shall I erase the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 3, that is p square plus 6p minus 16. So here we can note that 16 can be written as 8 times 2,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And look at this over here. Okay, now look at this 6. The 6 can be written as 8 minus 2.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So 8 and 2 are the numbers we are going to use 8 and 2 in order to write 16 and 6 here. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
hence
Okay.
what we will do, we can write p square plus 6p minus 16 as p square plus, let's write 6p as like this, 8 minus 2 into p. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is minus 16. P square, let's multiply p with the terms here. So it becomes 8p and minus 2p, and this is minus 16. So now we will take common. इनमें हम क्या common लेंगे? Obviously p.
Yes, sir.
So p into p plus 8, right? And here, or hum that will be, what
It
we
would be
will be
minus
taking?
2.
Minus 2. Good. So minus 2. So p is remaining here, and then here minus 2 divided minus 16 upon minus 2. Minus sign cancelled, you are getting 8.
8.
So p plus 8, right? So hence p plus 8 times p minus 2. That is the required answer. Okay, good then. There are some more questions which are very simple. Take question number 4. Arhan, you do this one. Okay. And question number 5, Arham, you do this one. Let's get done with this one also, and then we'll be moving to the division part.
So could you explain my question?
Sure. See, you are required to solve question number 4. Okay. This is x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. Okay. See, you can clearly see that if you were to regroup x square minus 2xy plus y square as together, हम इनकी एक साथ grouping करते हैं. Okay. So I get to see that question number 4 in this one, x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. Arham, you also look at this question. That's a good question. See, so take these 3 terms. Are they not in this format? X minus y whole square.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Arham, we can clearly see
Yes,
that
sir.
it is in this format, no? Because expanding this basically gives you x square minus 2xy plus y square. So hence this one is reduced to x minus y whole square minus z square. All right,
Yes, sir.
getting it now. Now further I see that I have a square minus b square. What do I have? This whole term I will assume it as a. Okay now. And assume this one as b. So now this is in the format of a square minus b square. So this identity is equal to
A plus B into A minus B.
exactly. Yes, Ma. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? So that is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So quickly tell me that will be
Um,
times mhm,
yes, sir.
minus z, right? So that is the required answer. Okay. So Moz, try to join the class at the given time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You solve the question number one, Moaz. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Arham.
So could you give me another question?
Sure, sure. I was about to give you. Solve question number two.
Okay, sir.
Let's quickly solve these questions. Then we will uh, discuss about the division of two monomials of a polynomial by a by another polynomial, etc. These things we will be discussing. Okay. Yes, everyone done.
Yes, sir.
By the way, how many questions you guys practice on a daily basis from mathematics? How many questions you guys are practicing?
So one or
Just
two exercises a day.
one or two exercises. Okay. So that amounts to somewhere between, depending upon the number of questions, usually 15 to 20 questions, huh?
No, sir.
Okay.
I practice
Hmm.
exercises that have more questions.
Okay, good. What about you, Arham and Moaz? Also, why none of you have turned your camera on in the class today? Yes. Turn your cameras on in the class. Yeah, if having doubt or difficulty in the question, please do let me know. Okay, now. Don't wait too much. Yeah, Moaz, solve कर लिया आपने?
No, sir.
Okay. Should I help you, Moaz?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look. A square minus 64 है. ठीक है? हमें किस फॉर्मेट में रिप्रेजेंट करना है, a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी के फॉर्मेट में, राइट? और
Yes, sir.
ये किस आइडेंटिटी की एक्सपेंशन है? बेसिकली ये कौन सी आइडेंटिटी होती है? यस, इज इट a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, इज इट a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, और इज इट a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर?
What's
Is this here, this is fitting into which identity? It is the expansion of which identity?
A square minus b square?
a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर है ये बेसिकली, राइट ना? सो
Yes,
हमें
sir.
बेसिकली अपने क्वेश्चन को a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर के फॉर्मेट में पहले लाना होगा, ओके ना? सो फॉर एग्जांपल दिस क्वेश्चन, ऑल इफ यू लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन, a स्क्वायर माइनस 64, राइट? सो वी हैव टू राइट इट इन दिस फॉर्मेट, ठीक है? a स्क्वायर मेरे पास ये है, लेट्स से कि एक टर्म में इसकी स्क्वायर गिवन है, बट 64 को मुझे b स्क्वायर के फॉर्मेट पे रिप्रेजेंट करना है. सो आई राइट इट a स्क्वायर माइनस 64, कैन आई राइट इट लाइक दिस, a होल स्क्वायर minus 8 whole square, right? So thereby you have a term and b term also. Getting it now? So further
Yes,
now
sir.
you can expand it and write it as a plus b times a minus b, right? So in for this question it is going to be a plus 8 times a minus 8. Everyone got this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Then I got my answer.
Okay. Meanwhile, Moaz, you try to solve question number 3. Then we will be moving ahead. Yeah.
So
What
we
is the
have to do
value you have getting?
factorization.
Huh. It's been clearly mentioned here that you have to factorize it and write it in this format. Basically, I think many of the students are still not clear with what factorization here basically means. Huh? Or is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
अगर
sir.
अभी भी डाउट है बेसिकली फैक्टराइजेशन में कंसेप्ट क्या है, सो प्लीज डू आस्क मी. वाज इट इज क्लियर टू यू और नॉट? और हम हेलो
Yes, sir. You're audible.
guys, please turn your cameras on in the class and please try to respond in time. Okay, इससे क्या होता है, काफी टाइम वेस्ट होता है. सो प्लीज ट्राई टू बी एक्टिव इन द क्लास. सो फैक्टराइजेशन का कंसेप्ट, इट इज अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग. हाँ, फॉर एग्जांपल 24 यू राइट इट एज 3 टाइम्स 8, राइट? सिमिलरली a स्क्वायर माइनस 64 है, इसके मुझे फैक्टर्स चाहिए इस फॉर्मेट में. क्यों? क्योंकि जब मैं a प्लस 8 को a माइनस 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, मुझे वापस a स्क्वायर माइनस 64 मिल रहा है. इन द सेम मैनर व्हेन आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग 3 एंड 8, आई एम गेटिंग बैक 24. That is the concept of factorization. Okay, now. Yeah, so Arhan, what value you got?
Sir, 5 into 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b.
Again, I didn't heard the full question. Answer, yeah, again, repeat.
5 into 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b.
Into
Yes, sir.
2a minus 3b.
They are in that bracket. Yes, sir.
Okay. This one is also in bracket, no? Like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all of you look at question number 2. This is 20a square minus 45b square. ठीक है? You have written as 5 times 2a plus 3b. Then again, this is there no sign in between?
No,
Is
sir.
there no sign in between? Okay, let me have a look at it. That will give you 4a minus 12b and then 6ab minus 9b. Okay, that will cancel out. हाँ, that is correct. Okay, that is correct. करेक्ट. बेसिकली हमें क्या करना है कि जब आप इसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, हमें सेम वैल्यू वापस मिलेगी.
Yes, sir.
This expression you will be getting back. That is correct. What about Arham? You got your answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what value you've got?
7 plus x into 7 minus x minus
7 plus x times 7 minus
7
x.
minus x.
Okay.
-1.
And that this is now 7 plus x times
7 minus x.
7 minus x. That's it. Okay. So look here in this question, we will be writing 49x square minus 1 as follows. It will be 7x whole square. This will be minus 1 whole square. So that is 7x. That will be 7x plus 1 times 7x minus 1. Okay. That will be 7x plus 1 times 7x minus 1. Okay, now.
Okay, sir.
So that is the required answer. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
can you explain question number 3?
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's do the question number 2 as well. Let's solve this one also. Okay, now. First, let me solve this one, then we'll be moving to question number 3 as well. So that is 20a square minus 45b square, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 20 can be written as 5 times 4, okay?
Yes,
And then
sir.
45, how can we write it?
5 times 2 int
9. 5 times 9.
5 times 9. Okay, or what else? Are there any other ways?
uh,
Okay, look here. Basically, अगर हम यहाँ पर ये देखते हैं ना, sometimes a student will think like this is a square, this is b square. Let's do it like a minus b into a plus b. But that is not the correct way to write it. ठीक है ना? That is not the correct way to write it. Okay. See. And again, 45, it can be written in this manner. You see, it can be written as 5 times 9. Then you will have to break 9 into 4 and 5 as well. Okay, let's try to solve this one. So this will be 4 times 5 a square, let's say, minus, let's take it to be 5 times 9 b square. Okay. Now, in the two terms, we have got 5 as common. 5 common है दोनों ही terms में हमारे पास. So let's take 5 out. So we are left with 4a square, and then we are left with 9b square. Right?
yes, sir.
Any issues so far to anyone? Please do let me know.
No,
ऐसा
sir.
हमने क्यों किया? Why? Because now we have got such a term जिसका हम square root कर सकते हैं. Okay? Like you can do the square root of 4a square and 9b square.
Yes, sir.
So 4a square, can I not write it as 2a whole square?
Yes, sir.
Because 2a whole square will give you 4a square. 2 times 2 4, a times a is square, right? Now
Yes, sir.
then minus sign बीच में है उसे हम लिखेंगे. And then 9b square. Yes, Aram, how
Maybe
should we write this? 3b square. So that is
Yes.
3b whole square. Okay, hope there's no confusion so far. So now this is now in the format of a square minus b square के format में ये. So simply अब हमें क्या करना है? 2a plus 3b and then 2a minus 3b. Getting it now? So yes,
Yes, sir.
this is the answer what Arhan got, and this is correct. Very good. Okay, now question number 3. All if you have a look at question number 3. I'm erasing the screen. Shall I?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you wait? I'm taking a screenshot.
I sorry about that. Okay, look. I will write that again. Okay, no issue. But let's do the question number 3.
Yes, sir.
Question number 3, that is 32 x square y square minus 8. You guys suggest how should we write this? That is 32x square minus y square minus 8.
So 8 into 3.
8 into 3. But how
Sir,
about
into
we
4.
So 8 into 4, sorry.
exactly 8 into 4 we will be taking here,
Yes, sir.
right? ना क्यों हमें वहां पे स्क्वायर रूट लेने में ease होगा, right? So let's write 32. Was you getting this or not?
Yes, sir.
So we will write it as 8 times 4 x square y square. Now let's write 8 as 2 times 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 times 4. Further, can I write 4x square y square as 2xy whole square? क्या मैं 4x square y square को इस तरह लिख सकता हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Because Moz, you look at this, when you
Yes, sir.
multiply it, no, like this, you get what? 2 times 2, 4, x times x square, y times y square, right?
Hmm.
So
Yes, sir.
that's why we are doing this. And then
Okay.
4 can be written as 2 square, this 4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also, now see one more thing here, that 2xy whole square is there and minus 2 times 2 square is there. All right, now how about do one thing, we take this as a square. Okay, we take this as b square, right? But here wait for a minute. 32 we have written as 8 times 4. Okay, 8 as 2 times 4. Okay. 8 pair and then 2 is there. Okay, let's proceed. Okay. Hmm. So 8 is over here, and let's take this as a, let's take this as b. Okay.
Sir, but what about -2?
That's what I'm thinking of. How do we write this one? 32x square y square minus 8, that is 8 times 4, that is correct. I think that, how about we were to write this given question as 16 times 2. Huh? How if
Yes,
we were
sir.
to write it as 16 times 2? 32
Yes.
को अगर हम 16 times 2 के फॉर्मेट में लिखते हैं, okay ना? So see if there's something we can do there. All right now. Okay. So let's try to do it in that manner. So 32 x square y square minus 8. So if you were to write 32 as 2 times 16 x square y square minus, let's write it as 2 times 4. Okay, now the whole purpose, now you'll understand why we are doing this. 16x square y square, can we write this as 4xy whole square? Okay,
Yes,
2
sir.
times 4x y whole square, and this as minus 2 times 2 square, 2 whole square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here you see you have got 2 common for both the terms. 2 हमारे
Yes,
पास
sir.
कॉमन है ना, इससे पहले हमारे पास 2 कॉमन नहीं थे, यहाँ पर 8 था देन 2 था. अगर हम लेट्स से कि 2 भी कॉमन लेते, यहाँ पर हमारे पास 4 बचता. हाँ, there you will be having difficulty. Everyone try to understand this, why we have not written 32 as 8 times 4 and why we have written it as 2 times 16.
Yes,
Because for the ease of having convenience here, so that we are able to take 2 as common here. So let's
Yes,
take
sir.
2
yes,
as
sir.
common here. So that will be now 4 times xy whole square minus 2 whole square. Hope that is clear to everyone. So from here, now the question becomes easy. You guys can yourself solve it. That will be what? 4xy plus 2 times 4xy
Minus
minus
2.
2. That's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we were doing this one question, this one, no, right? Was 20a square minus 45b square. ये question solve हम कर रहे थे.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here what we did now, we did take common 5 from both of them. 5 common हमने लिया था. So thereby you had 4a square minus 9b square. 5 दोनों ही term में common है. So we will take 5 out of it. Okay now, both of you, all of you getting it? So for the
Yes, sir.
4a square and 9b square can be written as 2a whole square minus 3b whole square. Like this, we can write it down. So now it becomes simple. This is in the format of a square minus b square. So hence we will write it as 2a plus 3b times 2a minus 3b. Okay, so that was question number 2. And this is question number 3. This one is wrong. Don't write this one. This is the correct way. Okay. Okay, so shall we proceed further then?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Okay, this is also a question here. Like you have to verify whether the following equations are correct, or if they are incorrect, we have to rewrite the correct statement. All of you try to solve question number 1 first.
Yes, sir.
Try to answer the question as soon as possible. Whoever solves the question first, just tell the answer.
So we have to rewrite it.
If it is wrong, then you have to just tell me. No need to write it in the chat box. That will take too much time. The
So
first
we
one is
also have to rewrite to correct
we have
form.
we have to rewrite also. We have to rewrite the correct form.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Ahmed. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Yeah, Ahmed, you also look at the given question here. By now, everyone should be able to say whether the first one is correct or incorrect. At least say this thing. At least
Correct,
topic number
correct.
9. It is correct? Was it is correct or wrong? Arham?
Correct, sir.
Correct. Arham?
Yes, sir.
That is correct, first one. Okay. Ahmed, you also look at the given question. Okay, no? So on the right hand side, the expansion of the identity is given. You have to say whether the expansion is correct or wrong. Now, everyone turn to question number 2 now. I think without even having the need to lift the pen, you can solve the second question. Very simple question.
Yes, sir. It's correct.
No?
Yes,
Second
no,
one
no,
is
sir,
correct.
No, 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 sir. No.
no. Second one is not correct.
Yes, sir.
Where is the question wrong? Actually आप देखेंगे ना ये a identity भी नहीं है. ये
Yes,
कोई
sir.
identity
Yes, sir.
नहीं है basically. So what is wrong in this?
Sir, 2
Yes,
is square.
2a whole square.
Sure.
So that becomes 4a square, right?
Yes, sir.
While it is 4a, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the thing. Okay now. Okay, so we have studied all these identities. Okay, मैं कभी भी identities पूछ सकता हूँ class में. So everyone make sure you learn it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Now we are going to study about the division of the algebraic expression, right? Okay, there's nothing too complex about this. This is very simple. It's a very simple thing, right? So, for example, okay, I won't discuss the theory part. I will direct jump to questions. Why questions? We'll try to understand how division takes place. Okay. So, for example, you have a given question like this, or let's say you have any other question. For example, 9x square है. जैसे हम divide करते हैं 3 से ना. So, like बच्चों वाला मेथड क्या है? Like बच्चे क्या करेंगे? They will basically do what? They will write 9x square as 3 into 3, then x into x, and then write 3 in the denominator and then cancel 3. So thereby you are getting 3x square, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you don't need to expand this much unless it is told by your teacher in the school to expand it in this manner and then solve it. अगर ऐसा नहीं वो कहते हैं, then there's no need to do this much of work. You can simply
Yes, sir.
cancel the constant terms. Constant terms को आप कैंसिल कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली लाइक दिस, सो thereby you're getting 3x square, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for example, what if I were to have a term 6x square y square? Now I am dividing it with 2y. Yeah. So quickly, everyone, do tell me.
Plus 3x square y.
3x square
Why?
y. Exactly. So that is 6x square y upon 2y.
Yes,
2
sir.
cancels 6 by 3 times, and hence y will reduce the exponent of y to 1 only.
Yes, sir.
So thereby this is 3x square y. If anyone didn't understood this thing, simply they can do what? They can expand it like this. 6 times x into x. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा difficulty हो रही है तो you can do this thing. You can like बिल्कुल ही solve नहीं हो रहा तो like this you can do it. Thereby you are getting 3x square y. Okay. So you can basically divide a polynomial by a monomial. You can divide a given polynomial by another polynomial as well. Okay, now. So for example, you have a given polynomial here. You have to divide it with a monomial. Yes. So what we can do over here? 4x cubed plus 2x square plus 2x. That is the given question. You have to divide it with 2x. So now, can I also write it as 4x cube upon 2x? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Plus 2x square upon 2x plus 2x upon 2x. So hence this cancels it. Okay. So we are left with 2x cube. This will be plus x, and this is 1. Getting it now? This
Yes,
will
sir.
be 2x square, by the way. 2x square, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you know that this will become x raised to the exponent 3 minus 1. So hence x square written here. So that is very simple. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
it's time to take some more difficult questions like this one. So here we are basically dividing a polynomial by another polynomial. Polynomial everyone knows.
Yes, sir.
Expression having
Two
more
or
than
more
two, exactly, two or
terms.
more than two terms.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So for example, let's take a more simpler question. कि मेरे पास एक x1 है. This is a polynomial.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let's take another term as 3x cube. 3x cube plus, let's take it to be 0x square. ठीक है, 0x square मैं ले रहा हूँ. 0x square. Look at the question. Minus 8x plus 5. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
how can it be 0x square?
It's basically zero.
it can be, it can be, it can be. It is there just to confuse you. It basically will be 0. Okay now. हाँ. So let's solve this question now. चलो अब ज़्यादा confuse हो जाओगे. Let me take a simple question then. Okay now. So 3x cube. Let's take it to be. Let's take it to be 3x cube plus 3x मैं लेता हूँ, ठीक है? Plus 3x minus 8x. Okay, let's try to solve this question. Yeah, you guys would like to try or shall I help you first? चलो ये क्वेश्चन मैं सॉल्व कर देता हूँ, then you guys will proceed. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's take it to be x square. ठीक है. So first of all, look at these two terms here. Look at these two terms. What should I multiply this given polynomial with so that I get either this or either equal to this? Understand it. x minus 1 को मैं किस टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करूं सो दैट मुझे या तो फिर 3x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर मिलता है या फिर इसके क्लोज मिलती है वैल्यू.
So
Yeah, what
3.
should I do? You should multiply with
3.
3. Let's see what gives you. That gives you 3x minus 3.
Yes, sir.
But one more thing we have to take care of कि हमें exponents 3 और 2 मिलने चाहिए. At least
Yes, sir.
एक का तो exponent match करना चाहिए. Okay ना? So now we will multiply it with 3x. But multiplying with 3x will give me just 3x square minus 3x now.
3x square. We will multiply it by.
Exactly. When I will be multiplying the given polynomial with 3x square, so thereby we'll be getting 3x cube minus 3x square. Right now? So hence we will be
Yes, sir.
multiplying it with 3x square. Everyone getting this thing or not? Ahmed,
Yes, sir.
Moaz, you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's multiply it with, then we are getting 3x cube minus 3x square. ठीक है ना? Now plus and minus, these are plus and minus negative terms here, so thereby by the way minus कुछ नहीं. Okay, so this gets cancelled now.
Yes, sir.
This gets cancelled.
Yes, sir.
And this will again be cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Okay now. So what are we left with here now?
Minus 8x plus 5.
Yes, sir.
Minus 8x plus 5 remaining हमारे पास. Okay, now is there any way to solve it further? What should we do further now? Yes. Hey, wait for a moment, guys. Huh? You
Yes, sir.
guys, we have made a mistake here, na? Did you guys noted that? ये positive है, ये negative है. But हम subtraction कर रहे हैं ना? The signs
Would
that
add.
are already with their number. So ये add होगा.
Yes, sir.
Understand why it will be added. ये क्यों addition होगा? क्यों? क्योंकि हम
Minus
subtract कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
plus.
Exactly. This one is plus, this one is plus. You will take a minus sign. Let me bold it so that you don't get confused. So there will also come a minus sign here as well. So this becomes a plus
Yes.
sign now. So this will be added. So that is 6x square and only one term will be brought down here. Now, what should we do now? We will now multiply it with 6x. ठीक है? अब इसे हम 6x से multiply करते हैं. So x minus 1 times 6x will give you 6x square minus 6x now.
Yes,
Getting
sir.
it now? So we will take plus 6x. So that gives you 6x square minus 6x. Again subtract it. So these two will be getting cancelled. And minus
Yes,
8x plus 2x. Minus into minus. That will become a plus sign. Okay.
yes,
So
sir.
8x minus 6x. That gives you 2x. And
Minus
let's bring this
2x.
down. Exactly. Minus 2x. Good. That is minus 2x. And then bring down this 5 over here. Okay. Now what should I multiply it with so that I get either this value or either close to this value? Let's take
Minus 2.
minus 2.
X.
So minus 2 times x minus 1. That will be minus 2x plus 2. Okay. So let's
Yes, sir.
multiply it with so that you are getting minus 2x plus 2. So again minus sign. So this becomes plus and hence it will be cancelled. Again minus sign. So that is 5 minus 2 now. So the remainder is 3 here. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the remainder. That is the quotient. Okay. So in this manner, we have to do the division. Did everyone understood this thing or not? Be honest and do tell me, because you will have to solve so many questions based on this concept. Okay, difficulty here, please do let me know.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you solve another question?
Okay, so let's take one more question. Okay, let's not take a question from the answer D. Okay, because at the given moment I don't remember any particular question. So, which question you guys would like to solve? Yeah, pick out any question from this one.
So question number 4, third one.
Question number 4, third one. This one. Okay. 52 PQR. 52 PQR. Let's write it here. 52 PQR times P plus Q. पहले इसे हम देखेंगे कि we will see if it can be simplified. Times Q plus R. Then times R plus P. It has to be divided with PQ. times q plus r into r plus p. Now, see, there are few terms that will be getting cancelled over here. कुछ terms यहाँ पर cancel होंगे, right? So for example, this q plus r and this q plus r plus p getting cancelled here,
Yes, sir.
right? And pq getting cancelled here. So you have got now 52r times p plus q upon 104. And 52 will cancel 104 by 2 times.
True.
So basically you are having PR plus QR upon 2.
Yes, sir.
Getting it now? Huh. So this is the answer you will be getting. It won't be solved any further. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If any is confusion, please do let me know. So in this manner now we are required to solve such questions. Okay, so you guys, how about we now switch to the exercise part of exercise questions I'm solving, right? Because there isn't too much thing to be discussed in the theory part. So let's jump to exercise 14.3 and starting from question number 1. First question was, you do this one. Question number 3, Arham. Question number 5, Arhan. And Ahmed, you do the question number 4. Yeah. Start solving these questions. और and one more thing, ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट नहीं है लिखने का. लुक, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट क्या है लिखने का? आर है, ये 2 है, सो यू राइट आर अपॉन 2 टाइम्स पी प्लस क्यू.
Yes,
ओके
sir.
ना? हाँ, दिस इज द वे यू विल बी राइटिंग, बिकॉज आर यहाँ पर हमें कॉमन लेकर के हमने बाहर लिखा ऑलरेडी. बेसिकली यहाँ पर हमें आर मिल रहा था, दैट इज आर अपॉन 2 टाइम्स पी प्लस क्यू. ओके, स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस.
Sir, I got my answer.
Okay, what value you are getting?
So a square b raised to the power 4 divided by 2.
You're solving question number 5.
Yes, sir.
So what value you are getting again?
So a square b raised to the power 4 divided by -2.
Divided by -2. Okay. Everyone have a look at question number 5.
So I also got my answer.
Okay, what value you are getting?
6 PQ.
6 PQ for this one.
Yes.
Okay. What about Moaz and Ahmed? 6 PQ only, or is it R also there?
Yes, sir.
R will also be
Sir,
there,
but
no?
R square divided by R square is 0, right?
No. Actually, this is the R cube over here. This is R cube. This is R square. ये R
Yes,
cube
sir.
hai, and this is R square. So R will also come there. Okay, now. Looking at question number 5 here. See, 12 a raised to the power 8 b raised to the power 8 divided by -6 a raised to the exponent 6 b raised to the exponent 4. So that basically becomes -2 over here. -2 ऊपर आएगा. -2 will be in the numerator right now, and then this will now cancel, and then 2 is remaining here, 4 is remaining here. So -2 a raised to the exponent 2 b raised to the exponent 4. This is the value you'll be getting. Okay, Arhan.
So why
Okay,
would the -2 be in the numerator?
because this is -6, this is 12. Okay, ये
Yes,
क्या है?
sir.
12 upon -6 है, right? So -6 will cancel 12 by -2 times now.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Got it now. Yeah, Moaz. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, Moaz, you got your answer for question number 1. Rest of you now start taking questions. You guys can choose questions also. Or how about question number 3? Arhan, you want to solve this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve this one. Question number 5. Arham.
Okay, sir.
Ahmed and Moz, be quick. What values you are getting? Is Moz here or not? He's not here, I think.
He's not here.
Okay, yes, Ahmed. What about you?
Sir, I can't solve it.
Okay, okay. Then you should say to me, no?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
34 x cube
Sir, I got my
y
answer.
cube. Okay, okay. Hold on for just hold on for a second. That is upon 51xy square z cube. So 2 times 17 are 34. 17 3s are 51. ये cancel हमने कर लिया, इसमें कोई issue नहीं होगा. It's a simple thing. So now you get to see this thing now. Okay, whenever you are having two exponents that are in division, like जब भी हमारे पास x cube upon x होता है, right? और x के ऊपर exponent basically 1 है यहाँ पर. So I get to see that their base are same. This is the base of the two exponents. Those are the not the exponents. Two terms here. ये आपस में same है, right? X and x. So hence you can subtract the exponents. Why? Because the two terms are in division with each other. So this becomes x raised to the exponent 3 minus 1, that is x square. So that is the thing you are going to do here. Okay, x cube upon x cube upon x, y cube upon y square, z cube upon z square. Okay, basically this will cancel out.
No.
Okay, now. So in this manner you have to solve. That will be 2 upon 3 x square y. Getting this now. Yeah, Arham. You were solving which question, by the way?
Question number 5, second one.
So what value you are getting?
Q raised to the power 6 minus P raised to the power 6.
Q raised to the power 6
Minus
minus.
P raised to the power 6.
Okay, let's check it out. While Ahmed, you can solve question number 2. Is anyone solving question number 2? I don't think so. Ahmed, you solve question number 2. आप question number 2 solve करेंगे. This one. Okay. Question number 5. P cube Q raised to the exponent 6 minus this, is it? P cube Q cube. Now we can divide them individually like this also. P cube Q raised to the exponent 6 upon P cube Q cube. Okay. Again, look at your solution. Aram, I don't think you have solved it correctly.
Sir, sir, I just cancelled out P cube and Q cube.
Yes, we will cancel out, obviously.
No,
Then,
sir, from above on. I didn't solve it individually.
no, that is not the way how you will be solving such questions. No, you have to divide them separately like this.
Okay, sir.
This is the incomplete step. You have to proceed to this step also. So now it becomes, yeah, guys, that will be
Q cube minus P cube.
Q cube minus P cube. That is the answer.
But I also
Oh.
got my answer.
Yeah, for question number 3. Yeah, so what value you are getting?
So 2 into x plus y plus z.
2 times x plus y plus z. Yes. Good. Yeah, so see, I'm erasing the screen, okay? Anyone wants to take the notes, please to take it. Please to write it. Okay, shall I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, every time like any question comes like in minus or plus, we have to do it individually. Divide.
You will have to divide it individually. Yes, हम
Okay,
LCM में
sir.
करते हैं. For example, like 5 plus 4 upon 2.
Yes,
It
sir.
can be written as 5 upon 2 plus 4 upon 2 also, no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 3. So मैं directly लिख रहा हूँ, okay ना? 8x cube y square z square upon 4x square y square z square. plus 8x square y cube z square upon 4x square y y square z